Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2016 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk 4-wheel drive, stock number E1539P. 53,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Granite Crystal Metallic in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection. Give you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, along with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Seats 5. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Power liftgate for convenience. Lots of storage space in the rear. And very clean, as you can see. This Trailhawk has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with the tilt-and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Oversized panoramic moonroof. Large, easy to with driver information system. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Heated seats as well as heated steering wheel. Great for those cold winter days. Dual zone temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Navigation. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. Or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. 4-wheel drive with 4-low. 9-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest, with additional storage space below the front passenger seat, and a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, auto-dimming mirror, power moonroof and sunshade control, and HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Cherokee has a 3.2-liter V6, 271 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 19 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 26 on the highway. New brakes and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.